Let's take a look at the client-side experience. Here we are on a financial services company's site, and we are interested to talk to someone about a particular product. We can see the video call widget where I can initiate a call to an agent. This launches the join experience, and we are presented with the recognizable branding for the bank. This reassures the client they are joining a call with the correct company, and further promotes your brand. We have a welcome card to the left which can include messaging and imagery. To the right, we see prompts to capture the client's details. We'll go ahead and fill these in. We can also see a link to the terms and conditions as needed. We're now prompted to check that everything is working correctly with our device to ensure a successful call. Should there be any issues, we will be guided on how to deal with them. When we are happy everything is working fine, we are ready to join the call. We have one final check in case we want to mute our camera or microphone or blur the background. We join the call and are presented with a hold screen whilst the call is being routed to an appropriate agent by Genesys Cloud. We can see the audio connection to the agent starting, and the agent has initiated their video to meet with the client. Whilst we are in the call, the client has access to controls to turn their microphone and camera on and off, raise their hand, see closed captioning, or change their background blur. Call statistics are presented. This could be useful should the client be experiencing quality issues. They also have control over the self view to move or hide. When the agent starts to share their screen to assist with the client's inquiry and looking at products and services that may be of interest to them, the client also has the ability to change the focus of the call between the content and the agent's video. If we had two screens, we would also have the ability to show the agent's screen separately on another screen. When we conclude the session and the client has the information they were looking for, they can close the call. Let's take a look at the same call, but this time from the agent's perspective. Starting from the agent's screen in Genesys Cloud, we can see their status as on queue, meaning they are now ready to accept incoming calls. When the client has started the call from the web, we can see the call coming to this particular agent based on the routing that has been set up. The agent accepts the call and the zip audio connection is made. The agent now chooses to add video by selecting the Pexip Video Connect option. This instigates the video connection and we can see the customer connected via video in the Genesys interface. The agent has access to a number of options. They can manage their self view, move it around the interface, and hide the window, as well as moving the control bar within the screen. The call quality statistics are accessible to check any quality issues or to assist with troubleshooting. Additional agent controls at the foot of the screen allow them to manage their devices and the connection quality setting. The agent can choose to create a link to the meeting which can be shared through either email or SMS. Should the agent wish to, they can pop out video to a separate window, which may help when the agent wants to work with some of the other areas of the Genesys interface, such as arranging callbacks or accessing notes. It's easy to drop the video back into the interface, and it is always accessed through the Pexip Video Connect option. The agent can lock the room should they wish to, and you will see the confirmation on screen, as will the client. To assist the discussion, we can see that the agent is looking to share content with the client. They can choose a tab from a browser, an application window, or the whole screen. The agent has chosen to share a browser tab as they want to guide the client on the particular product they were looking at on the site. The agent can choose to adjust their view between focus on the content or on the video of the client. As part of the customer journey, the agent may wish to use the call handling controls such as muting, placing the call on hold, arranging to consult with a colleague about the requirements of the client, or transfer the call to another agent to continue the conversation. For this particular call, the agent has helped the customer with their particular inquiry and can now close the call and finish up with the appropriate wrap-up.